In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draft and send an email with Spark AI on iPhone. First, open the Spark Mail app on your iPhone. Give it a moment to load your inbox. We'll start a new message by tapping the Compose button, the pencil icon, at the bottom right. This opens a blank email so you can set up the essentials before writing the body. Begin by tapping the To field and entering the recipient's email address. Take a second to make sure it's correct. Small typos can send messages to the wrong place. Next, tap the Subject field and type a clear, specific subject line that matches your message. A strong subject helps your recipient know exactly what to expect and can improve your chances of a quick reply. Now tap the main message area, often labeled Say Something, where you'd normally write your email. Instead of typing everything from scratch, we'll let Spark's AI help you draft it. Look just above your keyboard for the Spark AI icon. It may appear as AI or a magic wand. Tap that icon to open the AI assistant. You'll see a prompt box. Type a short description of the email you want Spark AI to write. Keep it clear and direct so the AI knows your intent, tone, and any key details. For example, you might write something like, write a friendly follow-up about last week's meeting, ask for an update on the proposal, and suggest a call next Tuesday afternoon. The more precise your prompt, the better the draft you'll get. When you're ready, tap Generate. In a few seconds, Spark AI will produce a complete email based on your prompt. Read it carefully. Make sure the facts are accurate, the tone matches your goal, and any dates or names are correct. If something feels off, adjust your prompt or make quick edits directly in the draft. If you're happy with what you see, tap Insert to place the generated text into your email's body. Once it's inserted, feel free to make final tweaks. Shorten an intro, add a specific detail, or personalize the sign-off so it sounds like you. Before you send, do a quick final check. Confirm the recipient address, confirm the subject line still fits your message, and scan the body for clarity and typos. When everything looks good, tap the Send button, the paper airplane icon at the top right. Your email is on its way, crafted quickly and confidently with Spark AI.